The murder case against the former Grand Rapids police officer charged in the death of Patrick Lyoya may finally be headed to trial. This morning, the Michigan Supreme Court rejected another appeal from Christopher Schurr's attorneys, hoping to dismiss the case. News 8's Byron Tollefson joins us now in the studio with an update. Byron.
Amber, Schurr's attorneys have gone to numerous courts, hoping to overturn a previous decision that sent the case over to trial. It's been more than 2.5 years since Patrick Lyoya was shot and killed by now former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr.
What do we want? Justice!
Leading to protests, policy changes inside the police department, and Schurr being charged with second-degree murder. In October of 2022, a district court judge ruled that there was enough evidence to send the case to trial. Schurr's attorneys have unsuccessfully appealed that decision all the way up to the Michigan Supreme Court. And in a narrow decision Monday morning, they shot it down a final time.
What is the jury going to hear and not hear? That's what we're looking at.
Louis Langham, a professor at Cooley Law School, says the path is now clear for the case to head to trial. But there are still many issues before then that a judge must decide on. A list of potential witnesses and experts. And both sides will debate what should and should not be admitted into evidence.
Whether or not Patrick Lyoya blood alcohol level is relevant to these proceedings, because his blood alcohol level was over 3 times the legal driving limit. Whether or not his criminal history of an assaultive nature is going to come in.
Of course, there's also jury selection. Langham expects another issue to come up, whether the case will stay in Kent County or move elsewhere.
I pretty much assure the case will probably remain in Kent County, but that doesn't exclude it from being a motion that could, in fact, be argued in front of the court.
Langham says all of that work before the trial could take between 3 and 6 months, if not longer.
It seems even difficult to ask you for a potential timeline here of when a trial could begin, given the number of issues that need to be sorted out.
Absolutely. I mean, I'm just trying to let you know that it's going to be a while before. It won't be this year. We know that. I'll go out on a limb and I will say that this trial will happen in 2025.
Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker says he hopes to move forward as quickly as possible on a trial, adding that Lyoya's family has been waiting years for this to happen. He couldn't guess when it might happen. We did reach out to Schurr's attorney for comment, but we have not yet heard back.